So this is a small example how to deal with collections in the code generation. And for this I've created a new class diagram here. Generally, if you have two different classes, A and B, and you want, for example, class A to have a list of B's, that's what the association does. So you simply draw an association, you set the multiplicity to more than 1, and in this case 0 to many, so we have many. A has many B's. And important is also that here the owner is set to classifier, otherwise the code generation does not generate anything. So this is basically what you need as a start to get a list. Now if you want to have a list of primitive data types, for example you want to have a list of integers, there you add a property. So let's call it my integers, and you set the type. Important is in Java you can't have any lists or collections of primitive data types. So important is that when you select the type, you actually set it to an object. And in the eCore primitive types you have both int, but you have also integer object. So here integer object is the right one. Now you have one integer, and in order to get a list you simply set the multiplicity to many. 0 to many, you can do that here as well, and then you actually do have a list of integers. So this is the simple example. I'll simply quickly create a gen model from this and generate the code, and then we should see that this works if I did everything correct. So far so good. Finish. Have our gen model, and we can generate the model code. And now A has a list of B's. If we go into the implementation, we actually see the attribute. Here you have the list, and it also has a list of integers.